you can get her, in her name. Somebody will give you money.
Yeah, she will. I'm not gonna do that. But I worked for
But the
2
people
months.
are here, so
Yeah, it's competitive.
yes. Tim Horton is a good earning source.
Oh, like
Subway,
people will
Tim Hortons.
die without Tim Horton
Yes.
here in this country.
Yes.
So it's a big business, but you cannot get. It's a long queue.
No, it is a long queue.
So why not second cup? How about second cup?
No, say we don't. Now we are trying to buy some gas station.
Gas station is also good, but it's also
We
competitive.
have this Canada Bank.
What do you mean by we? We means who?
We are three partners.
Who?
My cousins. Yeah.
They are already here,
Yes,
or they
they are-
came all
no,
together?
they are already here.
Okay, okay, okay.
They are from here since 15, 20 years.
Hey, why is not? Oh my God, you didn't open, eh? You have to do these things.
So you are working
Hey, what are you doing? Don't do this.
11.
No, no, this is not.